Good morning, team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back. In today's video, guys, we are currently on a site potential project, an upcoming project. It's upcoming. It already confirmed. When which we'll be tiling this entire unit. Every single room is 1, 2, 3. I think it's 3 bedrooms up here, so and another 2 down there. So we're gonna tile the entire house, as you can see. Can have some old ceramic tiles right through. We're gonna redo the entire kitchen, the entire thing, lift up. So we're gonna come in, dig up all of this, and also the bathrooms. I'm showing you. The bathrooms are in okay condition, however, them kind of old school, you know. Boom, look at 2 wall. No, nothing come with the shower. Rather than the shower, we'll put in glass and all of that. Change out all of this ugly blue tone. What you guys think about this? I'll put in our feature wall. Take out the soap dish, as I said, put a niche. Do all of this, but we're not gonna come right round. We're gonna just to the shower area, then halfway come around and halfway meet up with this vanity area. And yeah, I don't know what else we're good. I'm gonna test this. The wall, solid concrete. We're gonna do everything. We might do the painting, but it depends on how your budget stay right now. Deal with the room, showing the other bathroom. Other bathroom, no light is in the building, therefore can't help you with that part there. We're gonna take out this big ugly bath. Now shower area, them brass pipe they were there on the outside. I put them in the wall. I think we're gonna do that one here now, like a rainforest. And this is nice. But we're gonna restore, we can restore and demolish and renovate whatever we see it for to renovate. There was discussion on how we can add a closet to this room around here. So however, we probably just have to set up something. It is already a very small room. We'll retile all of this. And another room is down here, so but this more looks like an helper's quarter, and you have the area where you can put the closet. So what I'll be doing today is walk around, never look on the building itself and see what I can recommend along with what we already come to do, which is the tiling, and we have a wall around the front door. We're going to demolish and reconstruct, as there is a breach, and they want to start that out. So today's agenda includes me getting the entire square footage of each area in which I separate them. Therefore, I'm not cross over into everything. I give a sketch of the entire unit and separate them and get the square footage. And you know, with the tiles, we can just use the area and get the amount of tiles, as well as the kitchen area. We're going to take down all of them wall tiles here. Up there, so I go paint. I already have the design. Up there, so I go paint. And we're going to have the little backsplash. All of this a change. All of that a change. That is wrong. That can't be used. That will cause drainage flow issues. And what else? Yeah, we're going to do all of this. We're still in discussion whether or not them are going to use granite. No, they want to use marble. But all of this are going to redesign throughout and go up to standard. So I'm going to work right now, guys. Catch you in the next scene after this montage.
Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm thinking with my women, I'm sliding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm on first things first, let me get that introduction. We all know long road,
My smasher on site number 2. Plant growing in the middle. I don't know if that's a good sign or a bad sign. Horizontal bars. Very important. And to have a development length. Yep, steel to concrete development. Yes, sir. Box and cast, 2 columns. So guys, I run up now. As you can see, we have set up the formwork for cast the columns. Most of the block works is completed. As you can see, we have a few little minor setbacks on it, which I'm gonna rectify, of course. And sorry for not update you guys for the last couple of days or so. We're not get no vlogs, but we are work and we are trying to start some new things because the contents them have last. So if you guys interested in supporting the channel, you guys can either have us do your guys' work, have use our service anywhere in Jamaica. Some people have a complaint, so they can't find my email. My email is ismashconstruction@gmail.com. It is always in the description. You guys can shoot me a text via Instagram, via Facebook, or email. Keep in touch. I already appreciate the support. I work with most of you guys. So far so good. Team Ismash tomorrow. Good morning again, Team Ismash. We're back on the vlogging trail. I know you guys can pick up based on the last scene, how me did look versus now. It's been a while since we take up the camera. And if you guys don't know, now you know, say me do inspection, investigations, but all sort of things in regards to construction for people, and that take up my time sometimes, especially for write reports. May have to put like information in regards to every single photo I take in regards to it, and it take a while sometimes. Some of these reports have me a birds on late night aisle, cause me try my best to give them in at a certain time after I visit the site. Yeah, and I do get assistance on them. It depend on the technicalities, the type of things I still try to get other person's advice, and I want to think about this, I want to think about that, I want to think about that, and that takes some time before me can pass on information. That leads me to not being able to film as much, but as you guys can, this site practically the far from the last time we were up here. In regards to site number 1, we still haven't cast as yet. As I said guys, construction is not a hurry come up business, where in which we always tend to work with a budget. If your budget, it make you an idea, so yo, at this is gonna cost to do your slab, and you're not right now. If it have to postpone until next month, the month after, or whatever be the case, so be the case, because it's not like nobody can say nobody go rob the bank. So in regard to site number 2, now we are back on site. The guys have actually gone back on the site that we were doing before this one. The previous site number 2, we put up one stanchion, quick little mats, and for now this rest until NHT can do them other local inspection and things like that. Guys, this is that house over there, so we were supposed to be the ones attacking that house, but the homeowner said he couldn't find me, because we leave the other side for a while, and they said they couldn't find me, and then like the house and then get some other guys instead. And me not try give myself no farmer credit or nothing, but him say the work is atrocious. Him say it is atrocious, but that's how you go. Now as you can see guys, we are currently doing the belt beam. Let me show you this cool little part. So from the last video, you guys probably wonder why we cut these so short. When I say probably a 4-foot window go in there, but nope. This is the opening. It's pretty cool, I like that. Yep. This is, as I said, the uniform part of the building is going up there. So around here says that the income generated side of the building, and expected to get, like, I believe a 2-bedroom 2-bath right now in today's market over here, so it's about $70,000 or $60,000 a month, which is the way to go, I believe. And for those who are having trouble in regards to getting in touch with me, my apologies. YouTube have this thing where I don't know if them I hide it. I could have swear me leave all my information down in the description. But if you guys having a challenge with doing that, I go say I can change up how I set up my description in regards to the placement of my email. So the email is Ismash Construction, and you guys can also DM me on Instagram as well as the Facebook that I set for the team. You guys can definitely shoot me an email in with anything in regards to construction, in which we do building any unit residential wise for now, and we also take on site investigation, inspections, we look on properties, we do project management, like if you want solely just that. We do bill of quantities, we do drive, we do everything in regards to construction. Yeah guys, so no project is too small. Don't be afraid, don't be shy to say, Dashan, I just want you build one column for me. You know, just want you build one little lintel for me. I try to close up a little window space. Dashan, I want you do this, I want you do that, I want you do that. Anywhere in a Jamaica, renovation wise, anything like that, we do it. See the email I got, we do it to the utmost best way ability, our knowledge, and the team's capacity. And the Christians there. No bad man show now play on site and anything there. What is going on? Jerry listen him preacher. Beautiful day. Site inspection and floating beam over there, so over the pit, and we believe we have recommended the best recommendation thereof in the most cost-effective manner. We on the site, see them in my hard boot, me on the clocks too. Busy, working.